Hello everyone, here is Vela from SMA. Today, glad to share the addressable fire alarm system with you. This is our FP300 series fire alarm system with LPCD certificate. Let us move on the panel. The panel with dust-proof cover. One panel can support up to 8 loops. Total 324 adjustable devices in one loop. Here, total 32 zooms in one panel. The 32 zooms can give quick indication of the fire alarm location. This is the screen. We can read the information and menu in here. Here is printer. It can print the fire and alarm history. Let us move on the other main parts. These devices, we have the LPCD certificate, like the addressable smoke detector, addressable heat detector, medical point, loop isolator, in-output module, adjustable drop sounder, and conventional drop sounder.
Okay.
This is an adjustable drop sounder base. We use the detector to install the sounder base. Later, we will show the test video for you. This is an adjustable medical point with key reset. Here is loop isolator to protect the loop shot. Here is input and output module, two functions in one module. Usually, we connect with the conventional devices like the conventional smoke detector, conventional bell, pump. This is an adjustable drop sounder and conventional drop sounder. This is repeater to read the fire information. This product is the true wire, like the smoke detector, heat detector, drop sounder base, medical points, loop isolator, and adjustable drop sounder. And this system can support panel-to-panel network. The quantity is 20 pieces. Now let me test the whole system for you. Thank you.